Hi, this is Lauren from LSP Actions, and I'm using the LSP Rainbow Spectrum Overlay Collection for Photoshop, which is 10 Rainbow Photoshop actions. And for this beautiful image here by Anna Brand, I'm going to play the Pastel Spectrum Haze Wash. This is a great way to honour a rainbow baby in your session, to just add a really subtle rainbow to the background, or you can paint it on a little bit more. The action plays super quickly, and you have two layers here. You have the Pastel Spectrum Overlay Wash, and another one for paint over whites. Because this image is really pale, I'm going to use the paint over whites action. So I'm simply going to come in and paint this anywhere I want it to show on the image. Taking care to avoid the skin, so I'm just going to paint this off the skin. My brush is set to 100% opacity, 15% flow. So that's just a really lovely subtle way of honouring a rainbow baby in your session and adding a pastel kind of spectrum overlay to your image. Before and after. And that set is available at www.lsp-actions.com.